High-efficiency SF9025 semi-automatic vertical stringer pallet nailing machine, wooden pallet making machine. Specialized for stringer-type wooden pallet nailing, stable nailing effect. Adjustable nailing position and nailing speed, adapting multiple pallet specifications. Equipped with reliable pneumatic nailing system, high nailing precision. Fast cycling speed, improve pallet output and production efficiency. Compatible with standard wooden pallets for logistics and warehousing. Compatible with standard wooden pallets for logistics and warehousing.